It's jack-o'-lantern season coming up. What do you do with a jack-o'-lantern's guts? Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Pumpkin seeds are very nutritious and have several health benefits, so save those seeds and use them. They can be a snack all by themselves, or you can hull them and use them as an ingredient in several other dishes. They are used all around the world. The first step is to choose your pumpkin and save the seeds. Pull them all out, gut your pumpkin and pull out as many seeds as you can. And then you're going to want to wash them and clean as much of the pulp off the pumpkin seeds as you can. This can be quite messy, I know, but it's also a fun part. Be sure to save a few of your seeds to plant again next year. Then make a brine solution by dissolving 1 cup of salt in 3 cups of warm water. Soak the seeds in the brine for as little as half an hour and as long as overnight. Spread the seeds out thinly on a large cookie sheet or baking pan. Bake at 275 for 3 to 4 hours. Be sure to keep stirring so they cook evenly. You can save the seeds and use them from other types of squash as well, like butternut. Hull the seeds and use them like you would nuts for baking as a topping. Hulled seeds also make a great garnish in pumpkin soup. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video and you learned something and you could save a little bit and use it up. Thank you and have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.